Alright boys, we out here. We up early in the morning. We're gonna be heading to, we're gonna take a little road trip. That's how we should name it. We're gonna take a little road trip. My Morona's ready. 2:58 a.m. Yeah, we're gonna take off now, see how it goes. Good luck to us. First pit stop, racetrack. Nice cherry Dr. Pepper. Didn't have fountain drinks, so I had to get a bottle. Gonna fill it up. Nice diesel, Louisiana diesel. But yeah, we're almost there. Got about like an hour left, I think. So then you'll see what we're going for. No, you can't. But what? What?
Nothing. It's a surprise. Give a tease.
That's all I get.
A tease. Right there.
That's it. All right, boys. We're freaking go munch. It'll be in the video. We'll see what we get. See how we like it. Let me get my. Got some gator bites to start off.
Here.
Shucks seafood sauce.
Seafood. Yeah, have a taste review.
He got his catfish platter. I got me with a seafood platter.
Gator, boy.
It's
Gator.
It's catfish, or I think, or it's fish.
Alligator gar.
So I got me like shrimp, catfish, crab, right?
Yeah. Stuffed crab.
Stuffed crab. A little bit of everything. Just try everything out.
Oyster.
We'll see how it goes. Alright guys, we're gonna munch it and then we'll do a review after. You just got done. Pretty good. 1 to a 10.
9.
9. I'm like at 7, 8. The fries were a little.
First time we ate gator.
Another stop for the big diesel.
The Mamorona. So we have an idea. So if y'all guess what it is, we're gonna send y'all $20.
$20. PayPal, Zelle. I don't have cash app.
Midnight, Thursday. Oh no, Wednesday night.
Thursday night. Oh yeah, Wednesday night. I'll post it Thursday. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna keep it as still a surprise. Y'all probably get like a little glimpse of it, but hopefully not. Nah, I'll probably edit it out. So if y'all can just guess what it got. I haven't told anybody.
We told one person.
Yeah, so he's out, which is my brother. My other brother.
But he won't spill the beans.
Hopefully not. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna do that. Y'all can guess what it is. Y'all gonna win $20 and
a sticker.
And a sticker if you want. Yeah.
If you want one.
Yeah, boys. Let me know. Y'all just comment on the video. Share it with your friends. It's a free $20. Just to share it.
Tell your friends about it.
Yeah.
That's lunch. That's a cold bag. That's whatever.
So we can just get it shared. You have a chance to win $20. I mean, not bad, right?
Yeah.
So I think this is where we're gonna end off the video. We're already at Buc-ee's.
Down the street.
Down the street, about like an hour away still, but we'll be there in a bit. Alright, peace. Share the video. Try to win $20.
Tell your friends about it.
Tell your friends.
Use your parents' phone, your wife's phone, your sister's phone.
Any comments from any profile, any channel, whatever. Alright, like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Share with, like you said, share with your friends. And maybe you have a chance to win $20. Peace.